In this video, we will explain LOC and DRIVE. With these program commands, users can create a waypoint programmatically, and change a speed partially. LOC sets or retrieves point data for a specified axis. Users can change the part of point data in the program using LOC. This command overwrites the value of specified axis of the specified point, with the value specified on the right of equal. If a formula is specified on the right of equal, the calculation result will be stored. If a LOC statement is on the right of equal, it refers to the value that is in the specified axis at the specified point, when the line is executed. To change the arm type of the specified point, please use LOCF. 1 means righty, 2 means lefty, and 0 means arm type not specified. Since this command only can be applied to existing point information, it cannot be used for empty points that have not been registered. DRIVE performs an absolute position movement to the specified position for the specified axis. A robot number can be emitted, and when it is emitted, robot 1 is specified. Options also can be emitted. Users can specify the target position by direct value or point number. When specifying directly by numerical value, specify a real number for millimeter unit, and an integer number for pulse unit. When specifying by point number, only the data of the specified axis of the specified point is referenced, and only the specified axis moves. The operation is not affected by any values entered in axes, other than the specified axis of the specified point. The data stored at the designated point is also specified in millimeter units for real values, and in pulse units for integer values. However, when a rotation axis such as the x-axis, y-axis, or a r-axis of SCAR robot is specified, and if the stop position is specified as a real number value, the unit will be degrees. The robot moves to a position rotated by the specified number of degrees from the zero pulse position of the specified axis. With the relative speed specification option, the robot moves at a speed equal to the automatic speed, multiplied by the specified option speed. Input value range is 1 to 100%. This option can be used with move command as well. With the absolute speed specification option, the robot moves at the specified option speed, regardless of the value of the automatic speed. Input value range is 0.01 to 100%. This option can be used with move command as well. Relative speed specification temporarily slows down the speed by multiplying it by the set automatic speed, while absolute speed specification temporarily slows down, or speeds up the speed regardless of the automatic speed. Copy the program of exercise 9 and edit a part of it. When descending to the position to pick up and place, the program should be edited to descend slowly from 10 mm above the target position. Create P20, 10 mm above P1, and P21 10 mm above P11 in the program. After moving to the standby position, move to P20 and let it slowly descends to P1, using the S equals 5 option, and executes a suction. Once the suction level is raised, move to P21 and slowly descend to P11, using the S equals 5 option. Place the workpiece and return to the standby position. Copy P1 to P20 and P11 to P21 programmatically. The data of the third axis is overwritten to a value minus 10 mm of the current value respectively. By executing program lines up to this line, points 10 mm above P1 and P11 are created. When operating, move to P20 without the S option first, then slowly descend from P20 to the height of P1 with the S option. Once the workpiece is held, move to P21 without the S option, and slowly descend from P21 to P11 with the S option. Place the workpiece and perform an arch movement to the standby position. Once you've finished writing a program and completed syntax check, save the program. Execute the created program. That is all the explanation of LOC and DRIVE.